Today, we're going to learn about a very common sentence structure in English, I have. We'll discover how to use this structure to share all sorts of things about ourselves. I have a cat. I have a cat. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have an exam. I have an exam. I have a cold. I have a cold. I have a camera. I have a camera. I have a new car. I have a new car. I have a big family. I have a big family. I have a nice smile. I have a nice smile. I have an important meeting. I have an important meeting. I have a beautiful garden. I have a beautiful garden. I have a guitar. I have a guitar. I have a bicycle. I have a bicycle. I have a pen. I have a pen. I have a new phone. I have a new phone. I have a dog. I have a dog. I have a laptop. I have a laptop. I have a sweater. I have a sweater. I have a cake. I have a cake. I have a cup of tea. I have a cup of tea. I have a gift. I have a gift. I have a burger. I have a burger. I have an umbrella. I have an umbrella. I have a match. I have a match. I have a friend. I have a friend. I have a book. I have a book. I have a hat. I have a hat. I have a sister. I have a sister. I have a brother. I have a brother. I have a plant. I have a plant. I have a crown. I have a crown. I have flowers. I have flowers. I have a watch. I have a watch. I have a bottle of water. I have a bottle of water. I have a pair of glasses. I have a pair of glasses. I have a wallet. I have a wallet. I have a pair of sneakers. I have a pair of sneakers. I have a phone charger. I have a phone charger. I have a basket. I have a basket. I have money. I have money. I have a bag. I have a bag. I have a pillow. I have a pillow. I have a balloon. I have a balloon. I have a cup of milk tea. I have a cup of milk tea. I have a kite. I have a kite. I have a hammock. I have a hammock. I have a wooden table. I have a wooden table. I have a big yard. I have a big yard. I have a necklace. I have a necklace. I have a wonderful mother. I have a wonderful mother. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe.